Hi, everyone! Christmas is just around the corner, and I'm excited to bring you a super easy eye design that is perfect for both kids and adults. It's really simple to make, so grab your paints and brushes and let's get started. First, let's start with some shimmery light green base. Here I'm using Snazaroo, but you can use other brands as well. I'm adding a light coat just to create a base layer for our design. If you can see, this brand doesn't stick well to this practice boards, but can create some beautiful transitions on the skin. Here I'm adding some neon yellow just to brighten up around the eye. Now let's grab a green split cake and a flat brush. The size of the brush will depend on the size of the customer face. Usually, children have smaller faces, so we will need a smaller brush and vice versa. Just make sure when you are loading your brush that you pick up a lighter color on one end and a darker color on the other. Now, with U-shaped strokes, we start to build the basic shape of our mistletoe leaves. Remember, the focal point of this design is the corner of the eye. So, make sure the base of the leaves are pointing to there. Let's add some red dots in the middle of the leaves. Now we can pick up the darkest shade of our split cake or some black and add little swirls and teardrops to complement our design. You can do the same with some white and add some highlights. And there you have it. A beautiful and classic eye design that is perfect for this holidays. Hope you liked this tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Have a magical Christmas, everyone!